Hello, in this video we will see how WebHarvy can be configured to scrape data from PagesJaunes.fr. Please make sure that you have installed the latest version of WebHarvy. I am on 7.9.245. If you're using the earlier versions, you may experience problems with Cloudflare blocking your connection. So after loading the homepage within WebHarvy's browser, you can perform a search to display the results which you wish to scrape. And once the results are displayed, slowly scroll down to the bottom of the page so that you can see the pagination links. I'm recording this demonstration on a virtual machine. That's why it's a bit laggy compared to what you experience if you install natively on Windows. In fact, I'm running WebHarvy or Parallels on my Mac. And now let's start the configuration process. For that, click on the Start button. And no, before that, just copy the search results page URL and then start configuration. Directly go to the configuration menu, click on Start URL Post Data, and just make sure that the start URL here is the same as the address which you see here. If not, just copy paste this address here. The post data and headers need to be empty. Just make sure that, and then you can click on the next page link and set as the next page link so that WebHarvy extracts the data which we select from multiple pages. We can scroll back up to the first listing and click on its title. And capture text. Let's give the column name. And as you can see, WebHarvy has automatically identified the names of subsequent results. Now let's also scrape the page URL. And now let's follow the listing so that we can extract details from the next page. So WebHarvy will open up the details page for the first listing, wait for the page to load. And once it is loaded, you can click and select more data. Let's try to select details like the address, the website address, the phone number, and also the serial number. So you can straight away click on the address and click on the capital X button. Similarly, you can get the website address. And to get the phone number, click on the button which displays the phone number and use the click option to reveal the phone number. As you can see, the phone number is now revealed. Now you can directly click over it, and this is the phone number. To get the serial number, go to this INSEE tab, use the click option to open it. And you can see the serial number here. Click on the serial heading and use the capture following text option. Click on capture text, and this would be the serial number. Now we can stop the configuration and start mining. You can specify the number of pages to mine. Here I am mining the default number of 2 pages, and WebHarvy will load the same search results page for which we created the configuration, and it will start pulling the data. As you can see, the names and the URL of the pages are being pulled from the starting page, and WebHarvy will follow each